In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate PayPal into Wix step by step so you can start accepting payments on your website quickly and easily. This is perfect if you're building an online store, a service website, or even just a simple checkout button for payments or donations. You don't need any coding experience, and everything we do will be directly inside Wix Studio. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Wix account and open the website you want to work on. Make sure you're using Wix Studio, since that's where we'll be adding and managing payment elements. Once your site is open in the editor, look at the left-hand panel. This is where you can add elements and customize your site layout. Next, click on Add Element. This will open up a menu with different types of elements you can place on your page. From here, click on Buttons. Inside the Buttons section, scroll until you find Payment Buttons. Wix gives you a few different payment button styles, so you can choose any one that fits your design. Don't worry too much about the style right now, because you can always customize it later. Go ahead and click on a payment button and add it to your page. Once the button is placed on your site, click on it to open the settings panel. This is where we'll connect PayPal and manage how payments are processed. Now, inside the button settings, click on Manage Payment Options. Wix will show you a list of available payment providers that you can connect to your site. Look for PayPal in the list. When you see it, click the PayPal Connect button. At this point, Wix will prompt you to sign into your PayPal account. Make sure you're logging into the PayPal account where you want to receive payments. Follow the on-screen instructions, review the permissions, and approve the connection. This allows Wix to securely process payments through PayPal on your website. Once the connection is complete, you'll be taken back to Wix Studio, and PayPal will now be enabled as a payment option. You can adjust the button settings, such as the payment amount, currency, and button text. For example, you can change the button label to Buy Now, Pay with PayPal, or Donate, depending on your use case. After that, preview your site to make sure everything looks and works the way you want. Click the payment button and confirm that PayPal opens correctly during the checkout process. When you're happy with how it works, publish your site to make the changes live. And that's it. You've successfully integrated PayPal into your Wix website using Wix Studio. Now you can start accepting payments securely and professionally. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.